gonna have a drawing challenge with my brother Henry. We're gonna take turns drawing different objects. Just pick an object around your house. Just draw it. Mom is gonna help us this first one and draw a plant. I'm gonna copy Mom's hand. Mom's gonna draw a turtle. Now I'm gonna draw the turtle too. Now I'm gonna draw a remote. Now I'm gonna draw a remote like him. Now Mom and I are gonna draw a leg. Now I can draw a lamp like that. I think Emma do it best. I think Henry do it best. I think we both did it,